You're watching the unboxing and review of Karbonn Titanium S9. Here is the box pack. The Karbonn Titanium S9, it is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. The specifications as mentioned in the box: 1.2 GHz quad-core, 5.5-inch IPS capacitive screen, rear camera of 13 megapixel resolution with flash, and front camera of 5 megapixel resolution, 1 GB RAM, G-sensors proximity light sensors, external SD card support, dual SIM support, and let's start the unboxing process. The S9 handset, we'll have a look at this later. Inside the box you'll find the battery of 2600 mAh capacity. Here is the free flip cover that you get inside the box, glossy white finish. Here is the data cable, power adapter, and the earphones, the warranty statement, and the user manual. Here is the Titanium S9 handset. Looks pretty good. This is the front view, the bottom view, side view, and the rear view. Rear side is white color, glossy finish. On the top side there is the micro USB port, and next to it the 3.5mm audio jack. On the left side you'll find the power button, and on the right side the volume rockers. On the bottom side there is this mic. Physical button in the center and two touch sensitive buttons on either side. On the top the sensors, the 5 megapixel front camera, and the in-call speaker. On the rear side the speaker out, the Karbonn logo, and the 13 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash. Let's open up the battery compartment. The SAR value is mentioned inside. This is a dual SIM handset, SIM slot 1 which supports 3G, SIM slot 2, and the micro SD card slot. Let's power on. You get the logo S9 Titanium, 16 million colors. This is with a 5.5-inch HD screen, and here is the home screen. The interface is pretty impressive. You can see the icons here, which looks pretty good. The performance looks good, touch is smooth and responsive. The viewing angle is okay. The screen gets a bit darker from certain angles, as you can see. Wi-Fi hotspot, USB tethering is supported. There is no Bluetooth tethering. 0.98 GB internal storage space, of which 0.90 GB is available, and here is the total phone storage of 12 GB. Of the 16 GB space, this is the internal storage space, and here is the phone storage. Of the 1 GB RAM, you get around 633 MB free. System information: ARM Cortex A7, it's quad core with the PowerVR GX 544MP GPU. Hardware is MediaTek MT6589, running on Android 4.2.2 with screen resolution 1280 by 720 pixels. The sensors: accelerometer, proximity light orientation, and magnetic sensor. Time is 10:17, battery at 61%, and the temperature is 30 degrees. Gordon benchmark score is 4913, Antutu score is 13594, Wilamo HTML5 1567, and metal is 522. Nina Mark II 45.1 FPS, and handset supports 5-point multi-touch. After 18 minutes of running the benchmark tools, the battery level has dropped by 5%, and the temperature is 34 degrees. Here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 along with the Karbonn Titanium S9. As you can see, the Karbonn Titanium S9 is a little bigger, and look-wise it is almost similar. I have now connected an external pen drive, and OTG is not supported. You cannot save apps on the external storage. Let's check out the camera. This is with the 13 megapixel as mentioned on the box, but it's 12 megapixel inside. There is zero shutter delay, face detection. Here are the video options. I've set it to high. There is HDR option, panorama, and I'm recording a video now. This video was recorded in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. Titanium S9 sports a 5.5-inch screen with HD resolution. It is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core processor with 1 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. You cannot save apps on the external storage, plus OTG is not supported. Handset runs on Android 4.2 with 12 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. The key feature is the 5.5-inch HD screen. Unfortunately, this handset can record only 720p videos. This handset